Hi there, I've just purchased a Cookology microwave oven. Now I've taken the old microwave out, as can be seen. So I thought this would be a simple replacement. But no, it's not, because as you can see here, my old microwave was screwed via these two screws once you open the door. That's not the case with my new Cookology microwave oven. Now, after searching high and low where the screws were, to the point I even thought this was detachable, it's not, including screws at the back. I thought, how am I going to secure this new microwave correctly? Now, there is a bottom cabinet template which I studied and studied, then it all came back to me. First thing you do, obviously ensure you've got a place to plug the microwave into afterwards. This template has on it this bracket. So it's all here for you. So simply, where it says, go according to the instructions, screw this bracket where it says, and there we are. That's your bracket, ready. However, I'm thinking to myself, surely that's not going to stay rigid inside the unit. You will find a very small fixing kit, which, you've got two screws. You've got two screws, there they are, and these screw the bracket as seen earlier. There they are, spinning for me. So once you slide the brand new Cookology microwave into the unit, obviously you won't be able to push it back too far because this bracket will stop that. If you look inside, open the door, knock at the door, you will see a hole. See the hole there? And part of the fixing kit has this long screw and a cap. So once it's in position, simply screw this into the unit. Make sure there's no electrics roundabouts. And Bob's your uncle. You put the plastic cap back. And yes, simple as that. Cheers.